Hello, I am K.S. Rao, your good old Sudoku friend. Well, today I have selected one more enchanting puzzle to show you how to solve it directly. It will be interesting when you go there, you can have a look. Now, before we go there, I would like to share a joke with you people. Please do not give any different angles to that joke, okay? Because I am a gentleman. A friend of mine, some 2 weeks ago or so, sent a particular puzzle to me by mail, and he said, "Please solve this puzzle and then telephone to me." So I quickly copied that puzzle, thinking it's something very important, and I was able to solve within a few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or 6 minutes. Then I rang him. I said, "What is the great thing about that puzzle? It was a very easy puzzle I could solve in 5 or 6 minutes." And then, to my surprise, he told me the information that this puzzle was called a diabolic puzzle, and a video was produced by a famous gentleman. So that's why I have sent it to you, is because he keeps saying that do not be carried away by the names given to a certain puzzle. That's the reason I am giving you this example and as a joke only, okay? Not to blame the other gentleman or not to project myself. It is not that. So now let's go there. Please copy this puzzle. Try to solve. It's a very interesting puzzle. Your method and my method may very well be same or slightly different. We'll enjoy in any case. Let's go there now. Well, friends, here we are with our beautiful puzzle. See, the beauty about this puzzle is we have a Sudoku wall here, another here, another here, and another here. There are totally 4 Sudoku walls, and probably this is what attracted me. And when I solved it, was very found interesting. Okay, so let's proceed with the solving process. Okay. Now let us start with these aspects only. Now this box number 5 has got just 3 vacancies, and probably we shall fill them. We require 2, 4 and 9. We have a 9 here, so let us write 2 and 4 here. 2 and 4. These two cells, no cross check of 2, 4 or 9. Therefore, all 3 numbers in these 2 cells, 2, 4, 9, 2, 4 and 9. Okay. And now, what is the benefit of this one? See, there is no direct benefit of this trio here, because we don't have any 2 or 4 or 9 here or 2 or 4 or 9 there. Okay, but still we have something else important here. After filling these 3 cells, you see you have 1 there, you have 1 here. Of course, these are blocked. So this number 1 does not allow it to be repeated here. Therefore, our first lucky number is number 1 here. Okay, and now what about these 3 cells? Can anything be done? Let's have a look. We need 5, 6 and 3. Yeah, we have a 3 here, we have a 3 there. So this is the place for 3. Let's confirm number 3 here. Very good. So this is the direct result of this trio. Okay. And then that 3 does not help to fix another 3 here. But then these 2 cells can take a pair of 5 and 6. So let's write them. 5 and 6. 5 and 6 there. And 5 and 6 there. You know the meaning of this 5 and 6. That means in these 2 cells, number 5 or 6 only can enter. No other number can venture into these 2 cells. That's the idea. Okay. And now what else happens here? We have just 4 numbers here and 4 numbers here. Okay. Let us now shift to this strip, vertical strip. Here, you see these two numbers are attracting me, this 6 and 8, because these two numbers cannot be repeated here. That means these three are blocked. That means these two numbers have to take these two positions only in column number 8. But you have a 6 there. That means we can confirm number next 6 here. That's the place for a 6. 6. And that's the place naturally for number 8. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. And now, what about these three cells in this column number 8? We need 1, 3 and 7. 1, 3 and 7 for these three cells. We have 3 and 7 in the same row. That means the third number has to take this place. What is that number? Number 1. Yeah, that number 1. And then these two numbers will naturally take these two places by becoming a pair. Let us write them. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Okay. And now this one will do something. Let us have a look. Yeah, we have one here, we have one there, we have another one here. So this is the next place for number 1. That's the place for number 1. Okay. And then anything else happens. Here we have got only one cross check of 1 here. Okay, leave it. Here also 2 places for number 1. Okay. And now we have written 2 more numbers in this column. That is 6 and 8. So 6 gets these 2 places. But look at 8. 8 can help definitely. We have an 8 here in this column, we have another 8 in this column, and we have an 8 here. That means in this box, the only place for number 8 is this. Let's fill it up there. It's the place for number 8. Okay. And then, see the fun now. That 8 helps us together with this 3 and this 3, that 3, this 8 and this 8 will help us to form the next pair of 3 and 8 here in these 2 cells. So let us write in small 3 and 8, 3 or 8. Okay, meaning is the same. Okay, now look at this box further. This box requires 1, 5 and 9. We have 1 and 5 the same column. So again our 2 by 3 trick. Number 9 should take that position. That's the place for number 9. Okay, and these 2 cells are for clearly for 1 and 5. Another pair. Let us assign those numbers there, 1 and 5. Okay. Now, anything else happens. Okay. No. I'm just checking this horizontal strip. 1 here only, 2 here and 2 there, no cross checks of 2 here. 3 this pair, okay. 4, no chance, just once it occurs. 5 is missing, of course in the pair here. 6 also get these 2 places. 7 is 3 times over 8, we know, and 9 anything can be done. No, okay. Okay. Now, this strip we have not studied, I suppose. Let's have a look. We must have a look. We definitely, yeah. 1 3 times over, 2 is not seen in the strip. 3, just once it occurs. 4 is missing. 5 is given 2 times, but these 2 places are for 5. 6 gets this place here. That's the place for number 6 here. That's 6, okay. And 7 occurs just once. 8 gets these two places. And 9 occurs only once. Okay. Let's have a look at this strip also. 1, 2 places. 2, missing 3. Once occurs, 4 also occurs once. 5 there, only 1 5 here. So these two places were 5 and 6. Look at the beauty here. We have 5 and 6 in this row J, and we have 5 and 6 in this column number 4. That means looking at this box, the only two places available for the pair of 5 and 6 are these two cells. So let us assign them like that. 5 and 6. Okay. Now anything else happens. Let us see. 7 is missing. 8 occurs. 7 is here. Sorry. 8 occurs just once. Only 7 and 8 is there like this to make a pair. No. Okay. And 9 occurs just once. Okay. And now very important trick is here now. See, you are aware of our odd C trick. See, we have a situation for odd C trick here. 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6, and this cell is blank. So, let us examine this cell now. What are the numbers it can take? We need not repeat 5 and 6 there, you know, are aware of it. So, 1 need not be written, 2 need not be written, 3 need not be, 4 can be, 5 need not be because of this odd C trick, 6 also need not be, 7 there, 8 there and 9 there. So this is the confirmed place for number 4. That is our odd C trick. Okay, now what else happens? In this box, can we have a look? 1 is there, 2, get these two places. 3, 4, 5 and 6 are there, 7, 8, 9, no chance. Okay. Let us look at this box also, by the by. 1, 2 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 there, 4 there, 4 here, these two places of 4, 5. 5 is missing, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, and 9 gets many places, leave it. Okay, we were studying this strip and we got diverted there. Okay. So, 5 and 6 over, 7. 7 here and 7 there. These two places were 7. 8 here. No matching above there. Okay. And 9. 9 gets these two places. Okay. Okay. Now let us look at our vertical strips. Left vertical strip. 1, the pair, 2, 1 occurrence only, 3 is missing, 4 also occurs once, 5 again in that pair, 6 3 times done, 7, 7 there and 7 there, these two places we know it, 8, 8 just no chance, and 9, 9 gets these two places. Any other matching with 9? No, it won't see any. Okay. Now, this we have a look once again. Okay, we shall have a look at it like this. Now, this column is having 5 numbers. Can anything be thought of? We require 2, 3, 4 and 9. 3 there, 4 there. No matching. 2, 3, 4, 9. 3 and 4 here. Okay. Now let us look at this. We require 2, 5, 6 and 9 for these 4 cells. You see the beauty here. We are finding our blue line trick here. 2, 5, 6 and 9 are required for these 4 places. We have 5, 6 and 9 in the same row. That means this is the place for number 2. Is there any doubt? we can fill it up straight away. That's our blue line trick. So this is for 5, 6 and 9. Yeah, we have a 6 there, we have a 6 here. That means this is the place for 6. Good, good. Our tricks are working. So that 6 releases number 5 here. That's a 5. And above it's a 6. Good. Okay, now we shall have a look at this column once again. But then one thing, why? We have this 2 here, we have this 2 in this trio. So the next place for number 2 should be this, okay? Let's fill that 2 there, okay. And then, what about these 3 cells? Can anything be done? We require 3, 4 and 9. Ooh, we have 3 and 4 in the same row. So this is a place for 9. 9 here. And these 2 numbers take a pair, make up a pair and take these 2 positions. Okay. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Okay. So now we can think of these 2 cells also. Can anything be done? Let's have a look. We require 5 and 9. We don't have a cross check of 5 or 9 here. Let us make a pair of them again. One more pair. Okay. 5 and 9. Okay. So that completes this filling up this middle vertical strip. Now let us come to this strip. So 1 occurs just once, 2 occurs just once, 3 in the pair, 4 just appears once, 5 also appears once, 6 here, 6 here, 6 here and 6 here. That's the place for 6. And 7. 7 there and 7 in this pair. Favor should take one of these 2 positions. Okay, don't know. Now let us leave it. And 8. 8 there and 8 here. 8 here, that means in this box, this is a place for number 8. Number 8 here. Good, good. Okay. And 9 occurred just once. Now in this box we have got just 2 vacancies now. 3 vacancies. That is for 1, 2 and 7. One more trick here. 1 and 2 are found in the same row. Again our 2 by 3 trick. This is the place for 7. Please watch all these small tricks, so you can enjoy Sudoku solving. Now these 2 cells are for what? You see a number 1 here cross-checking this cell. That means in this box, this is the only place for number 1. Number 1, and the last space in this box is naturally for number 2. Number 2, okay. And then, we were examining this strip and we have completely solved this box, okay. Let us continue the process. Okay, let's examine this box once again. 1 there. Oh yeah, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. This is a place for 1. Yeah, now we have 3 vacancies there. That is for 4, 5 and 9. 4 there, 4 there. 5 and 9 are missing. Okay, what about? Okay. Okay, have a look at this box. 1 is there. 2 here, 2 here, no cross check of 2 here. 3 is there in the pair. 4 is not found across. 5. Can you think about it? 5 here and 5 here. These 2 places for 5. Leave it. 6 is there. 7 in the pair. 8 is there and 9. 9 also get these 2 places. Okay. Leave it. Let's come to this box. Have a look. 1 is there. 2. Just once it occurs. 3, no chance. Many places for 3, 4. 4 also just once it is occurring. Okay, leave it. 5, 6 are there. 7. 7 here, 7 here. These two places for 7. 8 here. No chance. 8 here, 8 there. These two places for 8. And 9 is already there. Let's look at this. This box is the last choice. Okay. No. 1 is there. 2 gets these two places. 3, 3, 3, 3. But then this row H is having only 2 vacancies. Can something be done? Let's have a look. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 are required. We have a 7 here. So let's write our 7 here. And this is the place for 8. If you had noticed this a little earlier, it was same from time. Okay, row J is having only 2 vacancies for 3 and 4 now. We find a 4 above, therefore, this is the place for 3. And here we get a 4. And that cancels that pair also. We can confirm number 3 there. And that brings us to these 3 cells in row G of this box number 7. What are the numbers required? We require 2, 4 and 9. We have a 9 there, we have a 9 there. So this is the place for 9. Very good. And 2 and 4, we have a 4 there. We write a 4 here and 2 here. Very interesting. Oh yeah. And now I think we are finishing the puzzle. Look at this column number 1. This 3 will disband that pair there. We get 8 there. And the last vacant cell in column 1 is for what number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a place for 7. Okay, and look across. This 7 disbands this pair. We get a 3 here. And above it's a 7. Okay. And then similar condition here for column 2 also. We need 3 and 4. We have a 3 here. Let us assign 3 there. And a 4 here. By the way, after writing this 8, this pair should have been disbanded and we should have confirmed number 3 there. Okay, let's do it now. Okay. By the way, we have written this number 1. That means this pair also gets disturbed. So we can cut it off and write number 5 there. And just about is a 1, 1. And this 5 will disband this pair also. You get a 9 there. And I'm in a hurry. So this here is a 5. And what about the last vacant cell in row A? That is for number 5. That's the place for number 5. Okay, what about these 2 cells now? We require 4 and 9. No 4, no 9. See, at the fag end of the puzzle also we don't have cross checks here. Okay, let's leave it. Now let us look at this column. These 2 cells are for what? This box. 2 and 8. Yeah, we have that 8 there. So we get our 8 here and 2 there. And this 2 goes. These 2 cells are for 4 and 9. We don't have any cross check. Okay. And now this 4 gets deleted here. 2 and 9 here and 2 and 9 here. We have a 2 here. Therefore, let us write our 9 here and 2 here. Our first trio is getting disturbed now. Here we get a 4 and 9 here. That's nice. We have come to the end of the puzzle now. The last cell in row D is for what? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 here. 4. And what about these two cells? 5 and 2. We have a 2 here, we have a 5 there, so exchange. This is a place for a 5 and here it is a 2. Very good. Now what is remaining? Only these two cells are remaining. Oh yeah. So we need 4 and 9. Do you have a cross check now at least? Yeah. We have a 9 here and a 4 here. Yeah. We do have the cross checks now. That's it for 9. So my friends, here we are at the end of the puzzle. I think we have joyously solved the puzzle using of course a few of the tricks. This odd seed trick and this blue line trick and 2x3 trick and so on and so forth. I'm sure all of you would have enjoyed the tricks. Before I wind up this puzzle, this video, before I wind up this video, I would like to clarify. Some people have been asking the correctness of this mail ID, especially. This is klslrao@gmail.com. This one is miraclesbook1@gmail.com. I'll repeat, klslrao@gmail.com. Because KS Rao is not available, even K1S1 also I tried, was not available. So I tried KLSL, we got the mail. Okay. So this, miraclesbook1@gmail.com. So that's it for today evening. God bless you all.